Hey guys, for today's episode, I'm gonna show you what's on my makeup pouches. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, unahin na natin tong aking first item. So, before I put my makeup, I'll make sure na nasa-sanitize ko muna yung aking hand. Supposedly, this one is for hygienic purposes, kaya hindi ko talaga pwedeng makalimutan ang alcohol sa aking bag. Let's proceed with the second item. So this one is from Cloud Beauty. What I really loved in this product is super cute silang ng packaging niya, and then 2-in-1 na siya. So pwede mo siyang gamitin sa cheeks, pwede mo rin siyang gamitin sa lips. This one is transparency lang yung consistency niya. So kapag nilagay mo siya sa skin mo or sa cheeks mo, nagpipink siya. Alright, wait, let me swatch it for you guys to see the consistency of this product. So very blendable lang siya and super ganda ng color niya. Easy to blend siya. Okay, next item is for my finishing powder. So this one is from Careline. Super bet ko tong product na to kasi dito lang talaga ako nahiyang. Although marami pa talagang brand ng finishing matte powder, pero dito lang talaga ako nahiyang kasi I've tried a lot of finishing powder pero nagkakaroon ako ng pimples and acne. So kaya nag-stick lang ako dito sa brand na to, which is the Careline finishing matte powder. So oil control na siya and long lasting at the same time. Okay, next item is my very favorite eyeshadow palette. So I've got this from Shein. What I really love in this product is very convenient niya lang dalahin, hindi siya takaw space, and then napakaganda ng mga colors niya, very neutral, very aesthetic lang siya. Nakabox pa siya kasi nga ayoko siyang magasgas kasi nga favorite ko siya talaga. As you can see, very neutral lang ng kulay niya, so pwede rin siyang highlighter. So, very aesthetic ng color, and then let me swatch it for you so you can see the consistency of this product. Super ganda and very shiny talaga niya pag in-apply mo siya sa skin. Okay, that's why this is my favorite makeup. Okay, so now let's proceed with my eyebrow makeup. This one is from Focallure. What I love in this product is very handy niya lang and hindi siya takaw space kasi 2-in-1 na siya. So kapag inopen mo tong isang dulo, meron siyang brush, and then dito naman sa kabilang dulo, nandito yung kanyang pinaka gel. Okay, let's move on with the next item. So, this is one of my favorite kasi super cute lang ng packaging niya. So, this is my eye mascara. So, I've got this one from Shein. Super hilig ko talaga sa color pink kaya ito talaga yung binili ko. Although marami pa namang magagandang brand din. But disclaimer lang, hindi po luxury brand ang aking mga makeup. Hindi po ako si Heart Evangelista. Char! Anyway, this mascara is long-lasting and waterproof. Hindi ka talaga magmumukhang panda dito kapag ito ang ginamit mo. Kaya super love ko talaga ito. Okay, next, last but not the least, I have here my bullet lipstick. So, kitang-kita nyo naman kung anong brand yan. This is from O2O. So, super fan talaga ako ng O2O pagdating sa mga matte lipstick. Kasi I have tried a lot of lipstick and dito lang talaga ako nahiyang, and ito talaga yung pinaka nagustuhan ko kasi yung mga na-try ko before ay talagang nagda-dry yung lips ko, talagang nagcha-chaps. Honestly, super dami pa talaga nilang magagandang shades pero dalawa lang shades ang kinuha ko. So dalawa pa lang yung kaya ng budget ko sa ngayon, pero soon bibilin ko din yung iba nilang shades. So let me swatch it for you first para makita nyo kung gaano siya kaganda. So first one is this M14. So ganito yung color ng M14 kapag sinwatch mo siya sa skin or sa labi. This color is perfect para dun sa mga lighter skin or sa mga mapuputi. Very long lasting and smudge proof na din itong mga bullet lipstick ni O2O. Okay, next, let me swatch it. This shades M17. So, this color is fit para sa mga morena skin. Very aesthetic and neutral lang talaga ng color niya. May pagka nude shade itong M17. By the way, nagmamat lipstick lang ako kapag supposedly aalis ng bahay or kapag may pupuntahan or mag-shopping, ganon. Pero kapag nasa bahay lang, more on lip tint lang talaga ako. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to follow, like, and share my video. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. See you on my next video. Mwah.